Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to crop image using pen tool in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now we can use pen tool and we can go to left toolbar. We can click this icon and we can find pen tool here. Or we can use P to use pen tool. So I select the pen tool and click and drag to add the point with arm. And then we can close the path by going back to the first point. Next, we can select the background layer. If you don't find the layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now I select the background layer and then go to top option bar. We can find mask. Click it. So we can make a feather mask to the image. So if you want to make a further adjustment the shape, we can go to Convert Point tool and click and drag to select the point. And press Ctrl and click and drag to move the point. And also we can click and drag to change the shape of the path. And I think this is okay. If you want to crop the image to fit the feather mask, we can make selection to the feather mask. I press Ctrl and click on feather mask to make a selection, and then go to image, and we can find crop here. Click it to crop to fit the feather mask. So this is how we can crop image using pen tool in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.